of His Holiness Sri Madhuchaini Sadharma Simhasanadisha Sri Taralabalu Jagadguru Sri 1108 Dr. Shivamurthy Shivacharya Mahaswamiji. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Administrative Officer, Executive Officer and Special Officer, esteemed Principal and Headmasters, dedicated lecturers, teachers and staff, and my dear friends, a very warm and happy Independence Day to all of you. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our great nation, India. Independence Day is not merely a celebration with flags, sweets and patriotic songs. It is a day to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and to reflect on our responsibilities towards our nation. As the tricolor we salute today was once a dream painted in the blood and sacrifices of millions. Look at the flag. Every thread holds a heartbeat. India's journey for independence was so long and difficult also. For nearly 200 years, Britishers ruled our country. Indians gradually realized that freedom was essential for our dignity, development and future of our nation. The revolt of 1857 was an important milestone in India's freedom struggle. Later, the great leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, who taught us the power of truth and non-violence. He led powerful movements based on non-violence and satyagraha, including non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement and Quit India movement. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who ignited the youth with unmatched courage and leadership. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru, whose ultimate sacrifices serves as a timeless symbol of bravery. Rani Lakshmi Bai, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and other countless unnamed heroes who fought for our motherland. Their chant became our freedom. Their sacrifices became our strength and their dream became our India. After the years of sacrifices and struggle, India finally achieved independence on 15th August 1947. Freedom is not merely a gift, it is responsibility we must protect. Since 1947, India has made extraordinary progress in education, agriculture, medicine, infrastructure, industry, and the development in scientific and technological capabilities is one of the greatest achievements of India. Our achievements in space science are nuclear technology, information technology, digital payments, telecommunications, medicines, and scientific informations have shown the India's growing capabilities. India's space program has achieved remarkable milestones through the organizations like ISRO and mission to the moon called Chandrayaan 3 and also to the Mars have shown the world India's growing capabilities in space explorations. Now we are moving to another important phase, from the freedom struggle to the age of AI. India's journey is a journey of courage, innovation and hope. India is not far behind using in AI. It is being used in healthcare to assist doctors, agriculture to improve crop management, education to personalize learning, banking to detect frauds, transportation to improve our safety, and science to accelerate research. Therefore, the question before us not only what did our freedom fighters do for our India, but also what are we doing for our India? We must understand that was being a responsible citizen is another form of patriotism. As a students, we can study sincerely, respecting others, protecting nature, rejecting discrimination, using technology responsibly, and standing against injustice. Freedom gives us rights, but also it gives us some responsibilities. Our freedom fighters thought of an India that was united, educated, prosperous, and harmony. The India of tomorrow will be built by the ideas, courage, and character of today's youth. Let us promise today in front of our Revered Swamiji and distinguished guests that we will work together to build a stronger, united, and self-reliant nation. Let us carry the true spirit of patriotism, not just today, but in our character every single day of our life, and make India stronger every single minute. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat Mata.